Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to be making a lamp out of a cereal box. I misplaced my ruler, so I'm going to be using this piece of paper to help me draw where I'm going to cut. And then I'm going to take the scissors and cut the front and the back the same way, because this is how I'm going to split open the box. After I've cut the front and back, I'm going to fold the edges inwards. I'm also going to open the bottom of the box. All I'm doing now is hot gluing the flaps together so they won't come apart. Next, I've cut 4 strips of the board and I'm going to tuck them inside to make the box stronger. You can't really see how I'm putting the boards in now, but I'm going to show you once I'm done. So this is basically what I did, and this is going to keep the box sturdy. I'm folding these 2 pieces inwards because I'm going to be adding another board on the top, and these 2 pieces are going to hold it together. So this is how it should look when it's done. I actually put some tape on that one because it was giving me a hard time. But I'm going to tape the box and we're going to start covering the box. Okay, this part is pretty easy. All I'm doing is measuring and placing the boards on the sides of the box. So I've cut this board to fit the shape of the box, and I'm going to trace the inside and cut that out, and I'm going to do it twice. And then I'm going to take my hot glue gun and glue the front and the back on. Now that I'm finished, I'm going to take this tape and I'm going to go around the edges of the box and cover that, and then I'm going to go back and cover the rest of the box. Now I'm going to take these square mirrors I got from Hobby Lobby. They were only $2.98 or something like that. And if you use a 40% off code, it's cheaper than that. But I got 10 in the pack and I got 2 packs. So I originally wanted to cover the whole box with the mirrors, but they only had 2 packs left at the store. So I have to improvise. So I'm just showing you guys that you can actually use the bling wrap if you wanted to, but I'm using this embellishment that I also got from the dollar store. And I like using the hot glue gun because if it's crooked or something like that, you can just peel it back up. So now that the front is done, we're gonna do the side, and I'm just basically doing the same thing I did to the front, adding the mirrors. I also bought these little small mirrors from Hobby Lobby, and I believe it was 24 in the pack, and that was also $2.98. I wanna say that this is a candle holder, but I got this from the dollar store also, and I just sprayed it silver, and I'm gonna be using it for the neck of the lamp. But like I said, I'm using some more embellishments. You can definitely just use your bling wrap. So I took this mirror out of the frame and I'm just gonna take the box and glue it on top. I'm only gonna use hot glue just in case I wanna take it back off later. I'm gonna use this blue bucket for the shade of the lamp. So I just drew a line around where I wanna cut it at. And it's actually pretty easy to cut. Now I'm just cutting the top of the bucket off. It's a little bit more difficult, but I just cut it in the X first and it made it more easier to cut it off. And next I'm gonna shape it up and spray paint it silver. I'm now using my bling wrap to go around the top of the shade. And then I'm gonna cover like some of the sides just to give it a trim. I know you guys are wondering, how is she gonna make this lampshade sit up? Well, I got this plexiglass from Hobby Lobby. It was like $1 or $2, and I'm just gonna go around the perimeter with hot glue. And I would advise you to use E6000 also for a more permanent hold. So now that it's dry, I'm just going around the perimeter inside. Now I'm gonna take my hot glue gun and I'm gonna go around the neck of the lamp and glue the top of the shade down to the candle holder thingy. I think it's a candle holder. Next, I'm gonna take my Dollar Tree LED light, and I'm gonna just sit that right inside. And the great thing about this is that you can put a candle in there, you can do whatever. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this.